मेरा नाम रबीनो जोस कहता रहा। बिजनेस का नाम है प्रोस्ट्रीट मोटरसाइकिल गियर। तो हम करीबन 10 to 12 ईयर्स से यही बिजनेस में है, राइडिंग गियर्स के। एंड इट हैज़ बीन अ वेरी गुड जर्नी बिकॉज जब हमने स्टार्ट किया था तब वसई जिधर ये बेस्ड है विच इज़ इन पालघर, तो इधर कोई भी शॉप्स या कोई भी क्या बोलते हैं, there was no one who was giving riding gears or helmets. So we were the first institution to start it, first business to start all this, and it's been a very good journey. कोई भी business चालू करने में difficulties तो रहता ही है, but good, like I got a good financing from EU bank, and which was a kick for me because कोई भी business जो rotational goods लाने में difficulties आती है तो उसमें एक अच्छा हेल्प मिला मुझे EU से, एंड जिसकी वजह से ये बिजनेस ग्रो हो रहा है अभी, एंड आई थिंक इट वुड बी ग्रोइंग इन द फ्यूचर एज वेल। द रीज़न वाई वी स्टार्टेड दिस was road safety, which I think was missing from the start in India, because when we started riding, or like when we got into bikes, which was in college, at that time we never had riding gears, we didn't have good quality helmets. So the reason why I started, there's a story behind it. So I had a very normal bike when I started off in bikes, but I used to use very good gears. So a lot of my friends asked like, इतना सस्ता बाइक है लेकिन गेयर इससे भी महंगा है। तो मैं उनको बोलने का कि हेड सेफ्टी, जो बॉडी सेफ्टी और अपना सेफ्टी ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है जो गाड़ी अपन चला रहे उससे। So that was the beginning of this business. So the friends who told me like ये क्यों है, तो उनके वजह से ये बिजनेस स्टार्ट हुआ, और उनके वजह से वो मोटिवेशन आया कि राइडिंग गियर्स इम्पॉर्टेंट है और अपने इधर नहीं है तो ये लाना चाहिए। सो दैट्स व्हेन वी स्टार्टेड लाइक चेकिंग व्हाट आर द गियर्स अवेलेबल, and if it's not, how can we import it into India? So that's how it got started. When I started off, it was very difficult because not many people used helmets at that point in time, especially in Vasai. Even now, like, it's not compulsory. So the main thing which I got into the people's minds was like safety is important. So if you're buying expensive two-wheelers, you definitely require safety gear. And I think I've given a lot of lectures to students, and mainly what I've seen is a lot of institutions approaching and asking me to give lectures to the teachers and the parents, not to the students much, but more to the parents and teachers. The reason being, they are not aware of safety gears. So that is something which I think I've achieved in Vasai. I think a bank plays a very important role because the financial support from a financial institution such as a bank is very critical for growing a business or to improving a business. Somewhat I have achieved what I wanted for this region, but definitely I want to grow into other regions in India as well. So that's the aim. So hopefully that is like slowly and steadily happening, and might be in a few years you might see Prostreet at different locations as well. I checked into different banks, but the process of EU was the fastest, and I think the support which I got from the EU people, especially like Prakash, who was the start point of this. So I thought like he would make it happen. The rest of the banks were very slow in actioning things because this is a business which not many people know about. So they were a little skeptical about like whether this would do good or this would happen or not. But I think Prakash did a very fantastic, like excellent job in getting the loan done and to get this like to improve the business and get the financing done in time. I think Prakash used to come mostly every other day to check like if things are getting done or not. So that was one of the reason like I thought like this would get done and like I would get the help required at the most important time. I think it got done within a month's time. So that was pretty quick. So it's been fantastic. Like outside the banking circle, like I think like we still call each other, and Prakash still comes to meet me. So it's been a fantastic relationship.